Chalo, can we start? You all be ready with your paper and pencil, and also take eraser. Sharp your pencil before using. Chalo, now I'm going to start. So first we'll draw a small two curve, a small semicircle. See, you don't make it very small, okay? Like this is the head of the frog. That's why I made this portion small. But it's not like my frog is going to be of this size. So if you really want this size, then make it, just follow me. Or if you want to make bigger than me, then you can make little bigger this portion, okay? But don't make it very small, I request you. Now we'll make a curved line from both the sides. This line is going out in this way. Okay, now we have to just make one more curved line which is joining two other corners. Okay, and here we'll make the straight line. See, while making the curved line, I got a sharp corner, so I have to erase the line here, and it should be a curve. Curve means a softness, a curve means a rounded something, right? But if we make the sharp line, so it doesn't include in the curve line. So if you are doing this such mistakes, then please correct it. Make sure your lines need to be perfect and fine. First we have to make these two semicircles, then we have to make this curved line and join with another curved line these two corners, and just a small straight line in the center. Now we'll make the body. For making the body, see, we will use two corners, not the complete from here, but a little bit will come inside, and we'll use this corner. Now we have to draw this. It should not be completely straight, okay? Make sure. So now here we'll make two legs of the frog. So this is not a circle, and I should not say a complete oval, but yet it's a form of oval, but it is touching to this area. From here it is thick, and from the down it is little thin. So make sure you have to do the same thing. Okay, I am doing one mistake. I just want to tell you, if you are also doing the same, please correct it. Now we'll make one single line. We will make a habit to make a single line, okay? We'll not make 2-3 lines to draw one shape. And same will repeat on another side. Now from here we'll make a flat line. Okay. Now we'll make two lines, like one is kind of curve and one is like from up it went down, then again it's connecting here, and this is completely going down. And see, this line is, if I'll show you, is not going out of the leg. You can make a 1% like a little bit. If it is going, it's fine, but don't make it more long, okay? Now we'll make the leg of frog, both the sides. Okay, now we have to cut this. So just take your eraser, take your scissors, and please be careful, those who don't know how to use scissors. So for cutting this, what we will do first, we have to cut, we have to remove the extra paper from the drawing portion, and then we have to give the lines, then we have to do the lines correction. Now I got this little frog. Now we'll start cutting from line to line. Be careful, you have to hold the paper with one hand and then use your scissors slowly while cutting this. I am done with this. While applying green paper, please make sure you have to use the corner to draw a frog. It can be like this, okay? Or it can be this. or it can be this, but don't use the center of the paper, otherwise the other sheet will not be for use. Okay, now after this, I will use the corner of my paper and put my 2 fingers to hold the frog at the same place, and just I will make sure that my pencil needs to be straight, okay? And then slowly I will draw the frog and cut that too. If you won't draw nicely, then you can't cut properly. So make sure all lines need to be perfect while tracing. Those who don't have a green color paper, what they can do, they can take the green color and they can just put, or they can just color it on your paper, so they can utilize this time in this way. Okay, take pencil color and make your paper green. I'm done with my drawing on a green paper. I'm going to cut this. I'm just going to put this green color frog on this paper so you all can see clearly. Now with the help of this pencil, you can make more frogs, okay? So don't throw it. So now I took the white small paper and then I fold the paper. I draw a circle because I need the equal size of circles. Okay, then I'm going to cut them because I need a 2 white color circle. But make sure cut this from the pencil line only, because I don't want the pencil should visible on that place. See, now if I put my circles here, these white color circles, can you see the green paper is visible? From the top, I'll show you from here. So don't make very big circle. We want this green paper should visible on that side, okay? Then I'll apply a little bit glue here to stick the eye. See the white dot which I left in the middle, which I did for the first time, right? That is, I think, more attractive. That is called the reflection, which is actually visible in our eye also. If you will see the light reflection, you can see in our eyes also. Okay? Okay, now the last step which we are going to do, we'll take the white one paper, we'll keep it here, okay? So now we got the size. This much paper we required with the light green color paper. Okay, so like this we'll catch how big paper we required, and now with the pencil we'll mark the line. Okay, now we'll keep this white paper down, we'll keep this light green paper on it, and we will just draw this small patch and we'll cut this. This we have to paste here. If this becomes bigger, then we have to cut this from down. Like this, we'll just paste it, okay? It should be in the center. We can also make a small border with black pen, but not sketch pen, okay? Just to identify all the shape properly. In this way. Then we will apply to small circle on the smile of frog, just to make it highlighted and beautiful. So we have finished the frog. When you all finish this, please show me. Okay, bye everyone.